Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain how you can save figures and charts you create in Python as an image file. So let's start. Python has various libraries for data visualization, but matplotlib is the most important one because many other libraries and visualization tools are built on it. So I'll start with figures created using matplotlib and then go over pandas and seaborn charts. By running these codes, I import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, pandas as pd, and seaborn as sns. Okay, let's create a simple line chart with matplotlib. I define variable x as an array of integers from 0 to 10 and variable y equal to x to the power 2. Then using plt.plot function, I plot variable y as a function of x. Now that I have a figure object with the plot on it, I can easily save the chart by saying fig.save fig. And here I need to specify a file name, so for example fig1. And the file format you specify here can be the JPEG, PNG, or any other supported format, so I use JPG for simplicity. And another important parameter in this attribute is DPI, which allows you to change the quality of the image you save. So I set it equal to 100 and run this code. Now the file fig1 is saved in the path I specified here. So if I open this file, you can see the chart right here. Next, I want to create a chart using pandas and save it as an image file. Here I use the Redmine quality dataset, and you can find the link in the video descriptions. Okay, let's import the data as a pandas data frame and have a look at the first 5 rows of the last 5 columns. As an example, I create a scatter plot of alcohol column against the pH column. But how can I save this chart to, for example, use it in a separate report? To do so, first I need to put this plot object in a separate variable, so let's say plot. And then use the getFigure attribute on it. So let's say fig is equal to plot that getFigure. This fig object is a matplotlib figure object, so I can save this chart the same way I did it in the previous part. So I use fig.save fig and save with the file name of fig2.jpg, and the file is saved in the specified path here. Lastly, let's see how we can save a chart in seaborn. Okay, suppose I want to draw a sine curve. So first I define variable x and y is equal to sine of x. Then using the seaborn's line plot function, we have our plot. Having in mind that seaborn chart is drawn on a matplotlib figure object, there are 2 ways we can save this plot. First, we can define a figure object as a separate variable, say fig equal to plt that figure, and then plot the curve on it and save it just like how we did for the matplotlib chart. Or instead, we can put this seaborn plot in a plot object as a separate variable, so say plot equal to this plot, and then instead use this method like plot that figure that save And the rest is the same as previous. I say fig3.jpg. And the sine curve is saved in the file fig3.jpg. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or ideas, please share with me in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Good luck and have fun.